In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use screenshot feature of Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to quickly capture something from another window and place it directly into your slide, PowerPoint has a built-in screenshot tool that makes the process simple. This is useful when you're creating tutorials, presentations, reports, or training materials, and you want to show exactly what appears on your screen without needing a separate screenshot app. To get started, make sure you open the window that you want it to take a screenshot of before you begin in PowerPoint. This part is important because PowerPoint can only show available windows that are already open. So if you plan to capture a browser page, a document, a folder, or another application, bring that window up first and leave it open in the background. Once that window is ready, go back to Microsoft PowerPoint and open the slide where you want the screenshot to appear. From the top ribbon, click Insert. This tab contains the tools for adding different kinds of content to your slide, including images, shapes, icons, and screenshots. Taking a moment to confirm you're on the correct slide here can save you from having to move the image later. After that, click Screenshot. When you select this option, PowerPoint will display the windows that are currently open on your computer. This gives you a quick way to insert a visual without leaving your presentation workflow. It's especially helpful when you want to keep things fast and organized. Now choose the window that you opened earlier. As soon as you click it, PowerPoint will insert a screenshot of that window directly onto your slide. From there, you can resize it, reposition it, or format it just like any other image in PowerPoint. If the screenshot comes in larger than expected, simply drag the corners to scale it down while keeping the proportions looking clean. A helpful tip is to make sure the window you want to capture is neat and ready before inserting it. Close anything unnecessary and make sure only the content you want is visible. That way, your screenshot looks more polished and professional in the final presentation. And that's all it takes to use the screenshot feature in Microsoft PowerPoint. It's a quick, built-in tool that can save time and help you create clearer, more visual slides with very little effort.